Yo, welcome back to my channel Siung Gang. So today we are visiting Kopi Bali house guys in Sanur. So this coffee shop is located in Perdokoan Gerahan Niaga Sanur, Jalan Bypass Ngurah Raya number 4 Sanur Kau dan Pasar Selatan guys. So for you who are traveling around Bali or Sanur, you must visit this coffee shop guys. This Kopi Bali house has so many menus you can try guys, like nasi goreng, kopi Bali, kopi luwak, rawon, risoles, kopi latte, nachos, iced coffee, and many others like. So for you who are interested in painting, you will see here there are many painting and they use coffee for their basic material guys. Here they display so many beautiful and artistic painting with big size frame guys. So by this video I invite you to see around inside of the coffee shop, so that you can see how beautiful is this place and they are different with other coffee shop in Bali guys. So while waiting for my order, let us see around this cafe guys. While my order is coming, I try avocado coffee. We will see how good it is guys. Wow, this food looks so good guys. You try and come with your family or friends. Okay guys, for you who is not following yet, please like, comment and subscribe my channel, so I will always give you good and new information guys.